Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to send video as document in WhatsApp. Let's go. Sending videos as documents can be useful when you want to share a video without losing its original quality. First of all, open up the WhatsApp application. Then tap Chats and then tap on the conversation where you want to send the video. After that, tap on the plus button at the bottom left. Then tap Document, and then select this option, choose photo or video. What you want to do next is tap and select the video that you want to send as a document. Then tap on the Send button at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see, I sent the video as a document. This feature allows you to send original files up to 2 GB in size, giving you the ability to share high-quality videos with your contacts. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.